This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Loretta Martin. One owner home nestled on a peaceful corner lot in Collierville, next to high school. Spacious kitchen opens to breakfast room, large laundry room with sink and pantry, formal dining room, huge great room with corner fireplace with double doors to oversized patio, 3 bedrooms down. Master suite has luxury bath, 2 baths down. Bedroom and bath up with a partially finished bonus room, lots of closets for storage. Side load garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Loretta Martin at 901-861-4808.